Hello everyone, my name is Rajkumar Das. I am a spoken English trainer. Every day, the spoken English easy to speaking. I am my all student, and that I personally English practice my class and confident that you are very important and others to experience to English confidently. I am very interested and my all student your experience to every day. I am practice to my English. Okay, so I am a new topic an English class easy and possibility your English practice my class lessons. Okay, so default I am continue English language, English speaking language, speaking practice, grammatical that is very important now. Speaking is a very important. Okay, so mainly thinking you are very special important English language. Others to experience and motivated and motivational and provide to the spoken English practice and classical English practice. Okay, so I am confidently and adjust my student, adjust my popular English language and thinking to English practice and default culture, local culture is very important. Main factor to English language, English important language. No English book and reading that your new generation you're very interested to grammar, grammar rules, everything you practice. And speaking is a practice main sector and main topic that you're listening to Hindi movie, listening to English series, everything you are very interested to English and mainly your possible to English language time and English maximum time every day 3 minutes you're listening to English video. Others your everyone person your smartphone your hand catch your anytime. Okay, anytime. So might that your very important class and very culture is the speaking English your very culture to English language and so I am very interested and my social media friend everyone I am speaking English practice my class and continually I practice and I am confidently practice your culture that your everyone student your student life to enjoy to your Bengali subject, Hindi subject, Arabic subject, everything your English language time to very important, very correct to important. Okay, so default English time and default practice time to English culture, English practically your calling time to English culture. Okay, and English possible and others to experience student that your very grammatical rules, grammatical practice, everything is practice, your very mind, your no catch. Okay, so best solution my English listening is very important. English listening to your others experience, others confident that you are very improved to English time and English easy. Most your Hindi listening you are very simple to I am Hindi you are speaking and English easily you are speaking, you are listening to and so your speaking time. Okay, invite your friend and interested your everyone, your marriage time, your birthday, birthday time, everything, every time you invite your friend. So main topic and main sector that possible your English every time to possible. Okay, so I am most confident, my confident your English language everyone, English to your culture, English possible to culture. English improve to every day. Most important to English language. And I am very talented, my all social media student that you're very talented. Okay, very talented. And I am possible to English language and English easy to sector. I have to every day English language in class. To confidently English language to practice and listening to English language and confidently English practice your culture, English language to sector, English provided to sector, everything is very important, every culture to easy to speaking, you are improve to English language and I am protect to English language and English easy to culture and British culture. Okay, so that is decision my mobile number. Speaking English practice to very important all student to my mobile, your calling, you are my friend. Okay, so that very important to English and I am culturing my culture and British culture, that your British culture in your movie listening, movie speaking and movie confidently practice, everything is very important and so possible to English language your practice. Okay, so main sector and main categories, your speaking time to English language and English speaking and default English language and confident English practice to others experience and other talent and other technology to practice every day and so possible everyone English language that is very possible and this is a very important to English language. Okay, so confidently English language to practice to your my possible English and I am English continually practice and practice today and main your grammatical practice to others your experience. Speaking to my two life class and confident practice, confidently your English language practice to life and I am Indian, my culture into English language practice to others experience. So default English language and others to experience easy and totally your easy to English language culture. Okay, and my all teacher your guideline to all student and so goodbye my everyone and I am provide to my video YouTube and Facebook. So default your culture to speaking English practice and thinking best important or your very important is possibly your vocabulary and very important your listening to movies, listening to stories, everything is very important, easy. English your very your water and easy. Okay, water your drink time to your easy and speaking your very easy. Okay, so best of luck my viewer. I am my your mistake simple English word to I am very sorry and so default to English language practice my class and my live class you are joined to everyone. So goodbye and I am Rajkumar and my mobile number 8918758251. or description my number, and speaking English practice time